So Google just showcased its breakthrough Gemini AI video demos. So in this breakdown, we'll delve into Gemini's 17 newest generalized abilities, from interpreting nuanced visual data to game creation and much more, ranking from the most intriguing to the essential. Number 1. Understanding nuances. Gemini has an unparalleled ability to understand and analyze visual data and make valuable suggestions, combining both image and text.
Tell me what you see.
I see you placing a piece of paper on the table. I see a squiggly line.
What about now?
The contour lines are smooth and flowing, with no sharp angles or jagged edges. It looks like a bird to me.
What if I add this?
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a duck.
Yes.
Number 2. Unlocking scientific insights. Gemini's capability to extract and synthesize knowledge from scientific literature offers a significant leap in the speed of research and development.
For the relevant papers, we wrote a similar prompt, asking Gemini to read the paper and extract the key data for us. We could even ask Gemini to add annotations. This showed us exactly where in the paper Gemini found the information. We ran this at scale. And over a lunch break, Gemini read 200,000 papers for us, filtered it down to 250, and extracted their data. So now we have a refreshed version of this data set.
Number 3. Unseen programming acumen. In competitive programming, Gemini demonstrates superior problem-solving skills with next-gen logic and reasoning.
We are tasked with computing aggregate statistics that account for what appears to be an impossibly large amount of random arrays. The really cool thing is that to solve it, AlphaCode 2 makes use of dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is an advanced algorithmic technique which basically simplifies a complicated problem by breaking it down into easier subproblems again and again. And what's really impressive is that not only AlphaCode 2 knows how to properly implement this strategy, but also when and where to use it.
Number 4. Understanding raw audio signal. Gemini's proficiency in processing raw end-to-end audio signals from start to finish allows it to understand nuances in speech, music, and ambient sounds, opening new avenues in audio analysis.
How to pronounce the word Lunar January in Chinese? Option A, 正月. Option B, 正月. Which one is correct? Which tone is the correct tone for the first character?
Option A. The first character is pronounced with the first tone.
Number 5. Multimodal dialogue. Gemini's capacity for multimodal dialogue allows for interactions using various inputs like images, audio, and video.
What's the first step to make a veggie omelet with these ingredients?
Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them.
Thank you for the instructions. I've started making my omelet. Does it look ready now?
It looks like it's almost ready. You can flip it over to cook the other side.
Why is it not ready?
It's not ready because the eggs are still runny.